Hey there, tech manufacturers. Are you a North American or European tech company with revenues between $20 million and $80 million? Still buying parts and subassemblies domestically or making them in-house? Well, I've got some good news and bad news for you. First, the bad news. If you think you're boosting the local economy by keeping everything local, you're mistaken. Buying globally uncompetitive parts hobbles your ability to compete and grow. That means fewer jobs, weaker domestic enterprise, and fewer resources for tech development. Now, the good news. Imagine getting your PCBAs from state-of-the-art, fully automated facilities in Vietnam. These facilities are often joint ventures with American or Japanese companies, ensuring world-class processes. A PCBA that costs you $200 domestically could be made offshore and delivered for just $50. But you might be thinking, I don't have global supply chain resources like Apple. This is where REDUx Engineering's contingency-based managed offshoring practice can support you. We allow small to medium-sized tech manufacturers to leverage offshore manufacturing economies, ensuring quality and sustainability. And guess what? We don't charge upfront costs, hourly fees, or retainers. Here's how it works. REDUx provides a team of registered professional engineers and Six Sigma ASQ-Certified supplier development engineers. We also have local sourcing specialists in your selected offshore country. We vet world-class offshore manufacturers and match them to your specific needs. We review your drawings and CAD files, making design for manufacturability recommendations. Once approved, we translate the final manufacturing package and send it out for quotations. Your finance team verifies the savings, and REDUx takes 20% of those savings as payment. The remaining 80% goes straight to your bottom line. Until this point, you've paid nothing. You can now cut costs by 20% to 50%, enhance product quality, and reduce warranty expenses. This means more funds for R&D, better employee benefits, and the ability to attract top talent. You'll be contributing to a stronger domestic tech sector and expanding into global markets. So help me, help you. REDUx's managed offshoring costs you nothing up front and delivers significant savings and quality improvements. What do you have to lose except month-end anxiety? Have REDUx Engineering manage the entire project with no upfront costs or consulting fees. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, REDUx Engineering Quality Offshoring Simplified, for more videos on how to realize 20% to 50% savings on volume parts. Visit www.reduxengineering.com and complete our project assessment form to see how we can cut product costs in half with no upfront costs or consulting fees.